Hey, we are going to work on your race paragraph today. You will notice we are starting it today, December 8th, and it is due on Friday. So be sure that you're working on that this week. This is a question about the book that you are silent reading. If you feel like you can't do a good job with this, you need to make sure that you talk to me as soon as possible because you need special permission to write about Malala. So just make sure that you know that. The question you're going to answer this week is, what do you predict will happen next? And this is in the book that you are currently reading silently. So you're going to be filling these out. Remember, book titles are capitalized, as are author names. You will come down here. What do you think what do you predict will happen next? You're going to finish the sentence. Find a page where you can kind of prove what your thoughts are or prove kind of why you're thinking that, and then you can go into explaining why you used that sentence. Make sure that these all kind of relate to each other. You're going to put them here in a paragraph. You're going to check off here when you're all done to make sure that you've got it done, and then you'll turn it in. Please let me know if I can help you.